best mobile screen recorder for Android and iOS. So if you want to know the best screen recorders for Android and iOS, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store. So if you're an Android user, the first one on the list is AZ Screen Recorder. So you can go with search on your Play Store and search for AZ Screen Recorder, which is this one. Now, this screen recorder does not include watermark, and it also doesn't have any time limit, and it supports recording with internal and external audio, and it also adds some editing features like trimming and adding subtitles, and it's also very easy to use. Now, the second one is X Recorder, which I'm using right now. So this also do not add any watermark. It actually doesn't need a root to be made use of. It has a clear sound with no lag. It has internal and external audio with up to 90 FPS. You can just tap on it for a screenshot. You can capture the moment immediately. It also records in high resolution up to 180 pixel and 60 frame rate, and it's also easy to share. It also supports game recording, to be precise. And the next one, or the next recorder, is Mobizin Screen Recorder app. This all actually has a simple interface, which also enables you to edit the tools, including, and also doesn't include a watermark. It has internal external audio recording. The screen recorder is chosen by over 100 million global creators. It makes your life easier with an auto tap. You can touch and swipe the screen automatically by designating a tap point you want to click. And the next one is AVD Screen Recorder. This app also has no ads, and it's also free to use. It has a simple interface. You can also use the marker if you want to. And the next one is Inbuilt Recorder, which is for iOS users. So if you are an iOS user, you can just simply go and search for Inbuilt Recorder. And the second application for iPhones is Record It. You can search for Record It on your App Store, and you'll be able to find the application on your iOS device, not on your Android device, which is also easy to use. And the next one is DJU Recorder, which is also available to iOS users. So these were the few best mobile screen recorder for your Android and your iOS. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.